I hated camp. It had nothing to do with the big Jewish camp. I'm not a sports kid, you know. I mean, my favorite days at camps were probably the rainy days, because then I could either stay in and read a book or play a board game. So I always hated when they made us do sports and do all these outside things, which are not who I am. But I think the Jewishness of camp was something that just felt normal and right to me. You know, I really did like Friday nights, and we always had to wear white, and I loved, you know, having services outside. There was something very special about just sitting in this little opening and the trees around you and having this Friday night service that just felt a little bit more special and different. And it was, you know, probably a really good thing to be with mostly Jewish kids for a few weeks.